Okay, students, question number 7. Multiply and write the answer in the simplest form. Example number first, 3 root 12 into root 18. Okay, students, these are the two surds and we have to do a multiplication of the two surds. Okay, and we have to get the simplest form. Okay, students, so we have to write down 3 into, we have to find the factor of 12. So we have to factor into square root of 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. Into, and also find the factor of 18. So root of 9 2s are 18. So 3 into 2. So root 4 is a perfect square of 2. So we just get outside the bracket, outside the root, 2 into root 3 in the into root 9 is the perfect square of 3, so into root 2. Okay, so 3 into 2 into 3 into root 3 into root 2. Okay, a number multiplication what to do. So here the students 3 2s are 6 and 6 3s are 18, and here the both the numbers are in roots. So just in a root 3 into root 2 means 3 2s are 6. So one root is a root 6. Okay, so the simplest form is 18 root 6. Okay, second example, 3 root 12. 3 root 12 into 7 root 15. 3 root 12 into 7 root 15. Okay, students, so we give the simplest form and we have to then multiply. So find the factor of 12 and 15. So 3 into root of 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12 into 7 into 7 into root of 3 5s are 15. Okay, so 3 into 2, because root 4 is a perfect square of 2 into root 3. Okay, into 7 into root 3 into root 5. These numbers are not the perfect square, so we have to write down in a root 3 into root 5. So number multiplication, what to do that? So 3 into 2 into 7 into root 3 into root 3 into root 5. Okay, the multiplication, what to do that? So we just find the 3 into 2 into 7. So here the students, both the these are number in root 3 means they are square. So root 3 square, root 3 into root 3, so root 3 square, so square and the square root cancel. The answer is a 3 into root 5. Okay, so we do the multiplication of the numbers, and their multiplication we do that. 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. And 18 7s are 126 into root 5. Okay, so this is the simplest form. Fourth example, 5 root 8 into 2 root 8. Okay, students, so here already is given that these are root 8, so we can't find the factors because these are the both in the root 8s. So 5 into root 8 into 2 into root 8. So 5 into 2 into root 8 into root 8. Obviously the root 8, these are the both square. So root 8 square, so square and the square root cancel. So answer is 8. Okay, so 5 2s are 10 and into 8. So 10 8s are 18. Okay, so answer is your 18. Okay, so we have to do the multiplication of the surds and just convert into a simplest form. Next question, divide and write the answer in the simplest form. Okay, students, we also do the addition, multiplication, subtraction. So we have to do the division of the surds. So root 98 it is divided by root 2. Okay, these are two surds. Okay, we have to divide that. So form like that we have to write down. Both are in the square root. So we have to write down in the square root 98 is divided by 2. Okay, both are divided. Okay, so 98 divided by 2. So we have to just do the simplest. So convert means we have to do the division of that numbers. So 2 49s are 98. Okay, so answer is in the square root of 49, and 49 is the perfect square of 7. Okay, so your simplest form after division is the 7. Okay, similarly root 125 is divided by root 50. Okay, so we have to write down like that, root in the square root of 125 is divided by 50, so is equal to, so square root of, you just find the factors, 25 into 5. 25 5s are 125 divided by 25. So 25 into 2, 50. We just find the factors. Okay, so here the students 25 cancel. So your answer is 5 upon in the square root of 5 upon 2. Okay, this is the simplest form, and we also divide that. Okay, so is your answer. Okay, fourth example, root 310 divided by root 5. Okay, we have to write down like that. In the square root of 310 is divided by 5. So find the factor of 310. So square root of 5 into 62 upon 5. Okay, students. So we have to just cancel the 5. So your answer is root 62. Question number 9. Rationalize the denominator. Okay, here the students. So rationalize, how to do the rationalize you understand. Here the students example is given the 3 upon root 5. Okay, so denominator is root 5. Means this denominator we have to multiply the numerator and the denominator. We have to, this denominator we have to multiply in a numerator and denominator. Okay, so this process is called the rationalization. Okay, so how to do? So the your question is given 3 upon root 5. So they have to say that multiply the numerator and the denominator by root 5. यानी कि जो नंबर डिनोमिनेटर में होता है वो हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना होता है न्यूमरेटर को भी और डिनोमिनेटर को भी. ओके, सो हियर द मल्टीप्लिकेशन वी हैव टू डू दैट. सो इनटू रूट 5 अपॉन रूट 5. ओके, सो हियर द स्टूडेंट्स वी हैव टू डू द मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ 3 इनटू रूट 5 and root 5 into root 5. So 3 into root 5 upon root 5 into root 5, and this sum we have to just simplify it. So 3 into root 5. So obviously root 5, this is root 5 into root 5 means root 5 square. So square and the square root is cancelled. So your answer is 5. So 3 upon 3 into root 5 upon 5. And students, we also do that. You have to use just find the root into root 5 means root 5 upon 2 into bracket square. So the answer is 5. And then another method, just cancel the root 5 into root 5. So answer is got the 3 root 5. Stop. Okay, so students, your answer is 3 root 5 upon 5. Another example, 1 upon root 14. 1 upon root 14. So we just rationalize the denominator. So 1 upon root 14 into root 14 into root 14. Means we have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by root 14. So the students, we have to do the just rationalization of the denominator. Multiply the numerator and denominator. Okay, so root 14 into root 14, same number. So root 14 means 1 into root 14. So root 14 upon root 14 into root 14. So root 14 into root 14. So obviously the here the student square root of 14. These are the both in the root. So square. So root and the square is cancelled. So the answer is 14, and there is root 14 upon 14. Okay. Another sum, 6 divided by 9 root 3. 6 divided by 9 root 3. Okay, same same method we have to apply. Multiply the numerator and denominator by root 3. Okay, when the surds root 3, we have to just multiply the numerator and the denominator because this is only the surds, only multiply. Okay, so 6 upon 9 root 3 into root 3 upon root 3. So here the students, multiplication of the numerator and the and multiplication of denominator, we have to do that. So 6 into root 3 upon 9 into root 3 into root 3. So 6 root 3, 9 into, so obviously root 3 into root 3, so root 3 square root and square and the cube roots cancel, so answer is 3. So 9. Okay students, so we just simplify it here. 3 ones are 1 and 3 twos are 6. So 2 root 3 upon 9 is your answer.